Spray, and I am so excited because I finally get to put a little bit of dye into my hair, but of course it can wash out, which is a good thing. And now let's see what colors it has because I'm so excited for my hair. Now let's see what colors we have. So I have it already open. Dun, 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 dun. Here we have the GirlZone hair chalk spray, and I am so excited. So the only thing you need to do is you can take a shower and apply it when it's a bit humid but not completely wet, or you can just put a bit of water into your hair, but it's better if you take a shower so it applies better. And here are all the colors. I'm planning to use pink and red or pink and blue because those look so pretty. And now let's see how it looks on my hair and let's see how they use them. Favorite colors: blue, pink, green, and purple. And I love them, but you can choose any color you want. If you want more information on this product, the link will be down below. Give me a thumbs up, watch the video over and over again, comment and share, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you for watching. Bye!